Hi guys, welcome to Ipsons Pro with another Shopify how-to video. So Shopify released latest version of all the free themes, which is 14.0.0, Dawn theme, Fresh theme, all of the free themes which they had, they updated it to 14.0.0. And due to that, some of the tutorials which I created for you guys stopped working. So I am creating and updating all of those tutorials step by step. So make sure to subscribe the channel and turn on the notification because I'll keep creating the updated tutorials just for you guys for free. So all you have to do is just subscribe this channel and turn on the bell notification. This video is for selected variant images. Now first let me tell you what is selected variant images. So as you can see on my screen, I have this product page and I have three colors in this t-shirt: black, blue and purple. So when I click on blue, you can see it's only showing up the images of the blue color variant, and when I click on purple, it's only showing the purple color variant images of this product. By default, Dawn theme display all of the variant images in thumbnail of the product. Let me show you how it looks on the default Dawn theme. And it's not just about the Dawn theme, it's about Fresh theme, Sense theme. All of the 14.0.0 themes have this issue, which you will be fixing after implementing and watching this video. So make sure to watch the complete video. And that's the default behavior. So as you can see, I have all of the images showing up. I have blue color showing up and I have purple color showing up. And even when I change the color, you can see it just changed the main image, but it does not hide the other variant images which are showing in my thumbnails. So that's the issue which you'll be fixing after implementing this tutorial. Also, if you notice, I have this sale badge showing up, an animated sale badge, which is showing the percent off I am offering on this product. So if you want to implement this tutorial, I also have created a separate video, and I have also swatches showing up, which I haven't added using any app. So if you're watching this channel for the first time, I have created this video for Dawn 14.0.0 where you can add color swatches without using any app. Yes, you heard it right. You won't be needing any app. And if I scroll down further, I have this testimonial section showing up. You can also add these testimonials without using app. All you have to do is just watch the videos, link in the description. Okay, now let's start implementing our selected variant image tutorial. And I'm going to go to backend of my development store. And first thing, what I'm gonna do, I'll install a fresh Dawn theme 14.0.0 just to show you guys that it's gonna work completely fine on the latest version. Okay, so let's click on online store. Scroll down. And here we can install the fresh theme. So I'm going to click on add button here. And let this Dawn theme install. While this is installing, guys, this tutorial which I have created gonna work completely fine on all of the free themes. So we have Spotlight, Refresh, Sense, Craft. All of these themes will function, will behave the same as the Dawn theme. So if you are watching this, yes, you can implement this on all of the free themes. Okay, our Dawn 14.0.0 has been installed. Now I'm going to hit publish and then publish again. Okay, now let's preview this one. I'm going to close the old tabs. And that's the product where I have multiple color t-shirts. So I'm going to click on that. And when I scroll down, you can see I have this image showing up. When I click on blue, I still have other images showing up, which I do not want because it's going to confuse the customers. So let's start implementing the selected variant. So let's go back to themes and click on these three small dots. And from these three small dots, click on edit code, open link in new tab. And guys, before editing the code, make sure to have a duplicate of your theme because when you edit the code, you might make a mistake and it is irreversible sometimes if you don't have a backup. So make sure to have a duplicate of your theme because if you're working on a live theme, I strongly suggest you should have a backup before implementing any code changes. Okay, we are on our code editor and that's the tutorial which we'll be following. Link will be in the description. This is free of cost. You don't have to pay anything for this tutorial. Just click on the link present in the YouTube video description and follow the tutorial. Okay, the first thing is we'll add schema in our main-product.liquid file. So this schema which we are adding is for the reason is that if you have multiple templates on for product page, you can have some templates to show selected variant images and disable these features on some other templates if you want that. So that's we have added an option in schema where you can enable and disable this feature. Okay, let's copy this code and add this code in our main-product.liquid file. Search for main-product. That's the file. And in this file, scroll down to the bottom. So guys, after this curly bracket here, add a line break and paste the code. And make sure to have this comma after this bracket. And if by mistake you remove this or you don't have this in your code, it's not going to work. Let me show you what type of error you'll be seeing. If I remove this comma, you can see there's a red line showing up. And when I save the file, you can see that it's saying invalid JSON in tag schema, right? So in order to avoid this, make sure to copy the code exactly as present in this file and do not avoid this starting comma. And I'm going to add that and it's safe. Perfect. After saving this, let's move on to the next step. And next step is we'll be adding following JS code in our global.js file within update media function. Okay, now let's go to that file, search for global.js and search for update media function. Here's our update media function and add a line break after curly bracket. Copy this code here and paste it. After pasting the code, it's safe. Now let's move on to the next step. And here we will replace product media gallery.liquid file with the following code. So we'll be replacing the complete file. Let's go and search for the file. So here's our file, product-media-gallery.liquid. Click on that. Now we will be replacing all of the code present in this file. So I'm going to select all of the code in the file, remove it, go back to my tutorial, click on copy code and paste. Perfect. After pasting the code, hit save. And now let's move on to the next step. Okay, so it's saying to arrange product images in step 4. We have implemented all of the changes which we needed in the code, but we have to arrange the images in a certain way to make sure to make this code work. And I'm going to show you in a bit. So we have done all of the code changes. Now we will go to customize by clicking on these 3 small dots and then open up our customizer. And from here, click on this drop down and search for the product template. And then click on product information. And here, scroll down to the bottom and enable this selected variant images. So I told you guys in the first step that we are adding the schema option. If you, the reason for that is that if you want to have multiple templates on your product page, so for some products you want the enable selected variant images feature, and for some products you don't want that, you can simply create a new template and uncheck this option if you don't want this feature, right? But we want selected variant images for this product. So I'm just going to enable that. And it's going to work on your color. You can add some other variant option here as well. Or if you have your store on any other language where the spelling is not the same, make sure to add the same variant which you are targeting for selected variant images. I have this here color, and make sure to have it exact same. Do not even make the capitalization mistake because it's case sensitive. Okay, now hit save. Now let's preview our product page. Hit refresh. and you can see our selected variant images is working fine. This is for the black, this is for the blue, purple. Yep. Now let's check on other formats of the product page. Now I'm going to change the layout to 2 columns. Okay, now let's test the layout. After 2 columns, let's test out thumbnails. Click save, go back to the product page and hit refresh. Okay, so that's the carousel layout. Black color showing black color images, blue color showing blue, and the purple one is purple. Okay, now let's try out the last one, which is thumbnail carousel. Click save, go back to the product page, hit refresh, click on blue, and then black. Cool, it's working fine. Now, if it's not working for you, then let me show you how you can add the product in a way to make this tutorial work. Because if you check out the tutorial I have put together, you'll have to arrange the product images. So black color should be with the black, red color should be with the red, and the white color should be with the white. In my case, I have black, blue, and purple color. So I'm gonna create a new product and show you guys how you will need to arrange the image in order to make this tutorial work. Okay, now let me show you guys by adding a test product. So I'm gonna go to products and then click on add product. And let me add test t-shirt product, testing description, and I'm going to add options for color, and then I'm going to add black, blue, and purple. Perfect. And I'm going to hit save. Okay, now let me upload the images. So click on upload new, and I have this folder created where I have all of these black, blue, and purple images. Now notice I have numbered them. So black one will be the main image, blue one, purple one. These are the images which I'll put first. So let's select all and upload them. Now the first image is showing up from the purple color, which I don't want, as my colors are black, blue, and purple. So first I'm going to move the black images in one row, then blue images on the second row, and all of these first images, like for black this one, for blue this one, and for the purple one, this image will be selected as the variant image. Now let's do that. Let's click on black, and that's the black one image. Select this one, select blue. Now that's the blue one image. As you can see here, blue one. I'm going to select this one as the variant image. Now similarly, do that for the purple one. So as you can see, I have this purple one. I'm going to select this for the variant image. Perfect. Now I have black, blue, purple, and the media images arranged to show the selected variant images properly. Perfect. Now hit save. And now let's preview the product. Okay. As you can see, the black images are showing up. Now if I click on blue, only blue images are showing up. Any other images, purple or black, are not showing up. Purple. Perfect. I have this issue of selected variant images fixed after implementing this. Now you can do that similarly if you have multiple options. Now if I add in size, so I have small, medium, and large as sizes. Click on save. And again, let's select the variant images. So for the black one, I'm going to select the black one. Let's do the same for the blue. Blue 1. And the purple should be purple 1. Click on done and then hit save. Perfect. Now after saving the variant images, click on preview. And as you can see, I have this black color variant images showing up. Medium, large. And now let's check the blue one. Perfect. Click on purple. Similarly, you can do the same with the multiple variants. So if you have color size and if you have the third variant option, you can do that. All you have to do is just select the proper variant image to make this tutorial work. I created previous tutorials and there were a lot of comments that most of you guys weren't able to implement that. Make sure to make your images variant numbered as I did for black, blue and purple to make it arranged in one row and easily select the variant image as the first image of that specific color. I hope this is clear enough. If not, make sure to let me know in the comment below. I'll try to create more videos for you guys with easier method to implement. So until next video, have a great day.